Question 2 is a bit of a coordinate geometry question using a kite as the diagram, and basically the information here just telling us what the coordinates are of the points, and then we'll have the questions. I'll sort of zoom in and zoom out just so we can see things a little bit better. But the questions that we're being asked is to calculate the distance between point B and D, and then they tell us the distance between AC is the square root of 500, so to calculate the area. So for part A, the distance between B and D is that straight distance. And so essentially, formula booklet has the distance formula, which is really just thinking of this as a right triangle. So this is where we could know the coordinates, like that this is the coordinate 6, 3, and this is -2, 7. So from 6 to -2, that's a distance of 8. From 3 to 7, that's a distance of 4. And so we're calculating that distance using the Pythagorean theorem. So basically I can say it's 4 squared plus 8 squared. We need the square root of that. And that is going to be the square root of 80, which is approximately 8.94. Okay? And you can work that out on your calculator. But there we have that distance. Now, part B, they tell us that the distance from A to C, let's see if I can draw this at all straight. Not very good. So this distance is the square root of 500, and they want us to find the area of the kite. So my approach to solving this is going to be to take the base times the height, divide by 2, and the base times the height, divide by 2, and add those together. And this line should be more straight, which actually this should be the same width. And so what I have is the base, the length, square root of 500, times half of this length, which I'm really going to say is 8.94 divided by 2. And so it's base times height divided by 2, or I'll take 1/2 of that. And when we think about it, that's just for one triangle. So when I do the second triangle, I'm taking this, multiplying it by 2, which really that 1/2 and that 2 cancel each other out. So when I calculate that out, I get 99.95, which to 3 significant figures, that 5 rounds that 9, which rounds. So I have 100 units. And there is the area for the kite.